Alrighty, folks, we have this new series called Ask a Millionaire. And the other day I said, what do you want to ask them? And yes, my mother watches the show and she sent us a series of questions that I'm now going to ask my friends. So first up, Dion, Matt, how you guys doing?
Super awesome. Happy to be here.
Same.
Same. All right, we'll get into it. We are a little short on time. The first question from my mom, Dorothy Zuber, is, are you happy? I'm going to go to Matt first here. Are you happy?
Ecstatic. Yeah, thrilled. See the
But
smile
were
on my
you,
face?
all right. So
Yeah.
kind of put that in context. Like,
Yeah.
do you notice being happier after retirement than before? Like, do you see that?
Yeah, I have a lot less French in my life. Yeah. I worked for a French company, for those of you who don't know, and that was brutal.
Yeah.
And so everything they say about us is probably true in their eyes, and everything we think about them is true in our eyes.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I'm ecstatic. Like I run around. I've been super busy because I obviously filling up the free time, still broken. Everyone can know, still broken. But I filled up all the free time, with actively managing my projects. I've got about $2.2 million worth of projects going on right now. And so just, and that's multiple rehabs, the jail and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, I'm ecstatic. I've gotten to see my kids even more than I used to, which was a lot. I've been able to have consistent date nights with my wife, which is awesome. So yeah, we're going away on a trip we're going away on our first weekend trip with no kids. So yeah, happy.
Lumberjack? B.
Lumberjack.
Lumberjacks. How about you, Dion? Are you happy?
So, when most of us retire, we try to warn people that when you retire, you're going to wonder how you had time to work.
Yeah.
Right. You just can't see that you fit in what you can in your current schedule. Right. Parkinson's theory kicks in with enjoying life too. Here's my thought of when I saw the question from your mom in the chat of, are you happy? My answer is, I didn't know I wasn't happy.
Oh, I would agree with that too.
When I was working, I thought I was happy when I was working. And then you take out caring what day of the week it is, caring what time of day it is, and planning a schedule around when I have an alarm clock telling me where I got to be somewhere, or what meetings I need to do, or how many emails I need to read at 10 o'clock tonight so I know what fires I have to put out tomorrow. You take all of that out, and then my favorite comment still comes, that came in this morning on one of my videos. Why would you want to retire early? I'd be so bored. That's a person who doesn't know they're not happy.
Yeah,
I would agree.
Yep.
Yeah, it's shocking. I'm so glad you brought that because that's exactly how I feel. I mean, if you would have talked to Mike Zuber at 45, employed, killing it, one of the best people in the world at doing what I did. I was known for doing what I did, and I was ecstatic. I was happy. I was running around like the man. And now I look back at that and I go, you fool. Who weren't happy?
Yeah.
You're running on this treadmill. You had 12-month, quarterly numbers. And how could you be happy? Yeah, you loved your job, you fool. I was lying to myself. Yeah, I thought I was happy, but man,
We got
you don't
conditioned.
understand. Yeah, I got conditioned.
Yeah, for sure.
So
For sure. Yeah.
there you go, folks. We're going to do these questions. These are going to be very quick and short because we want to do one video at a time. So at the end of the day, all three of us are happy. We didn't even understand we weren't happy before. Dion, where can people find you?
Right here on YouTube, Dion Talk Financial Freedom, time to make other people happy.
I like that. Matt, how about you? Do you want to make other people happy? You just want to run?
That's kind of Dion's thing. Yeah, that's kind of Dion's thing. Yeah. I'm living in happy land, hoping to have more visitors soon.
There you go. Thank you, buddy.